Judges found probable cause that the Trump administration acted in contempt of court by not turning around deportation flights. Judge James Boasberg had ordered the government to return the aircraft carrying more than 200 alleged Venezuelan gang members to El Salvador. However, authorities failed to do so. The judge wrote today that, quote, the government's actions on that day demonstrate a willful disregard for the order, sufficient for the court to conclude that probable cause exists to find the government in criminal contempt.
A federal judge just dropped a legal bomb on the Trump administration, holding them in criminal contempt for ignoring deportation orders. But here's the twist. The planes were already in the air. Was this a power grab or a constitutional crisis? Stick around. We've got the receipts. Judge James Boasberg, Obama appointee, says Trump admin willfully violated his order to return flights to El Salvador. The judge didn't hold back. He gave them every chance to explain, and their answers were unsatisfactory. Turned deportees, calling them gang members. Here's the irony. The U.S. paid El Salvador to jail these migrants. Now they're stuck in a legal game of hot potato. Trump calls for judge's impeachment. DOJ accuses judge of overstepping. Trump's playbook? Attack the judiciary. But this time, there's a paper trail. Contempt of court equals fines or even jail. Kilmar Abrego García, deported over a clerical error, now trapped in Salvadoran prison. Meet the man caught in the crossfire. No gang ties, no evidence, just bureaucracy gone wild. Senator Van Hollen's presser went to El Salvador to visit the wrongfully deportee to check on him, as well to speak with the president.
I don't even know if we announced this, but I am planning tomorrow to go to El Salvador to work to bring him home. The Trump administration themselves admitted in federal court that he was wrongfully abducted from the United States.
Democratic Senator from Maryland, Chris Van Hollen, flying there today.
I hope to meet with senior officials in the government, and I hope to have a chance to see Mr. Abrego Garcia to report on his condition.
A federal judge now giving the Trump administration 2 weeks to hand over information on what it has or has not done to comply with the Supreme Court's unanimous decision to facilitate Abrego Garcia's release.
Judge demands sworn testimony from DOJ or contempt hearings. This isn't just about deportation, it's about who has the final say, the president or the law. Who's right? Drop your take in the comments, Team Judgy or Team Trump. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more breaking deep dives. Share this with someone who loves legal drama. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.